The Oracle of Omaha has spoken again. According to the fund manager's public disclosure, Warren Buffett has his eyes fixed on these 5 companies for maximum profits. Let's dive right in. First up, we have Occidental Petroleum Corp. Occidental Petroleum is one of the largest U.S. oil and gas companies, and oil and gas stocks have been top market performers in 2022. Buffett has held a stake in Occidental since Berkshire helped bankroll Occidental's $38 billion acquisition of Anadarko Petroleum back in 2019. Berkshire's holdings in Occidental have increased to over 272.2 million shares, valued at approximately $16.3 billion, according to the most recent 13F filing, making OXY stock one of Buffett's 6 largest stock holdings. At number 2, we have Ally Financial Incorporated. The financial holding company Ally Financial specializes in mortgage lending and auto financing. Since rising interest rates helped drive Ally's net interest margins up by 49 basis points to 4.04% in the second quarter, Buffett appears to view Ally's weakness as a buying opportunity. In the second quarter, Buffett increased his stake in Ally by about 21 million shares, bringing his total investment to 30 million shares, or about $1 billion. At number 3, we have Apple. Buffett increased his massive holding of Apple by 3.8 million shares during the second quarter, bringing his total investment to more than 894.8 million shares, or a staggering $122.3 billion. In the first quarter of 2016, Buffett made his first investment in Apple. Apple now makes up almost 40% of Berkshire's overall holdings, nearly 4 times more than any of its other publicly traded stocks. Since Buffett began purchasing shares in the first quarter of 2016, Apple has been a winning investment. Number 4 spot is taken by Activision Blizzard. Activision Blizzard, a publisher of video games, will be acquired by Microsoft Corp for $68.7 billion, or $95 per share. Investors in Berkshire at the time were unaware that Buffett's business had just weeks earlier paid an average price of about $77 for nearly $1 billion worth of Activision Blizzard shares. Currently, Berkshire owns 68.4 million shares of ATVI stock valued at approximately $5.3 billion. Last but not least, we have Chevron. Buffett first invested in U.S. oil major Chevron in the fourth quarter of 2020. Since then, the oil industry has experienced ups and downs. In the first and second quarters of 2021, Buffett sold off his Chevron holdings, but the world energy crisis and Russia's invasion of Ukraine caused crude oil prices to soar to 13-year highs in 2022. As a result, Buffett increased his stake in Chevron by more than 3 times in the first quarter and added another 2.2 million shares in the second quarter, bringing his total stake to 161.4 million shares, or approximately $23.3 billion. And there you have it, 5 of the hottest stocks that turn in a fortune for you. Always remember, guys, successful investing requires patience, discipline, and the ability to control one's emotions. The most successful investors were not made in a day. It takes time, patience, as well as trial and error to learn the ins and outs of the financial world and your personality as an investor. If you do all this, maybe you'll become the next Warren Buffett, who knows? So do you plan on buying any of these stocks? Make sure to let us know your thoughts down below. Subscribe to the channel as an offering to the gods of the algorithm. We'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.